Hello guys. Today I decided to bring back the fall die equals eat one Bloxburg birthday cake challenge sorter. I'm doing this challenge in this game called Obby, but you're on a jet ski made by chiseled_it. Anyways, let's begin the challenge. Hello guys. Now we're in Bloxburg, and I am going to eat the 2 Bloxburg birthday cakes because I died 2 times in the game.